Good morning, student. Student, our chapter 6 of civic section, our criminal justice system, have already taught in online classes. Okay. In this video, today we will going to complete our book exercises uh, with objective questions. Okay. So, students, today we are going to start with our exercise A, multiple choice questions. Okay? Now, let's start. Our question first is from MCQ questions. Question first is on the basis of investigation into various aspects of a commission of a crime. The police have to file a charge sheet in the court within a maximum period of 3 months. Okay, na? So, our option C. Option C is the correct option. Okay. Now next one is, second question is, every person who is arrested and detained in custody has to be produced before the nearest magistrate within a period of 24 hours. Okay. So our option B is correct option. Okay. Now we'll come to our question 3. Our question 3 is, which of the following statements regarding an FIR is incorrect? FIR से regarding कौन सा statement इसमें incorrect? Which statement is incorrect? Now let's see. An FIR can be lodged by a victim. It is a true statement. Okay. An FIR can be lodged by any person on behalf of the victim. It is also true statements. An FIR can be lodged by an eyewitness of an incident of crime. आई विटनेस इंसिडेंट और क्राइम के जो विटनेस होते हैं, है ना, हु आर द विटनेस आई विटनेसेस ऑफ एन इंसिडेंट और क्राइम, दे कैन ऑल्सो लॉज FIR, है ना. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. नाउ लास्ट स्टेटमेंट इज FIR इज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ फुल इंफॉर्मेशन रिपोर्ट. दिस इज द incorrect option because FIR is the short form of first information report. Okay, na? So option D is the right answer. Okay, na? For third question. Now fourth one is, which of the following statements regarding a public prosecutor is incorrect? The victim of a crime is represented in the court by the public prosecutor. The public prosecutor is a representative of the state or the government. This is true, है ना? Because he is a representative of the state government. And first one is the victim of a crime is represented in the court by victim, also represented by the public prosecutor. It is also true. The public prosecutor conducts the prosecution on the basis of the charge sheet submitted by the police. This is also true. He take a charge on the basis of the charge sheet submitted by the police. Okay. And D one, last option is the public prosecutor usually defends the culprit or accused and not the victim of a crime. This is the false, है ना? This is the incorrect statement regarding public prosecutor, because usually defends culprit, usually defends the represent the victim of a crime, है ना? Or defends culprit and और accused को डिफेंस कौन करता है? डिफेंस करता है ना. So this is the incorrect option and answer of the question 4, है ना. So option D again is the your answer, है ना. Option D is again your answer. Now fifth one is, which of the following statement is incorrect? Again, India's judicial system provides full scope for a fair trial. है ना. तो fair trial, India's judicial system provides a full scope for fair trial. This is true. The prosecution has to prove beyond reasonable doubt that the accused person is guilty. It is also true because prosecution prove beyond reasonable doubt, है ना. And now third one is, the whole justice system hints premise that no innocent person should be punished. No innocent person should be punished unless proved otherwise by the court. This is also true, है ना. And last one is, we do not have an independent judiciary. This is the incorrect statement. because we have a independent judiciary. Okay. So again, option B is the answer of question 6. Okay na? And now last one is, who is empowered to investigate a crime? क्राइम को इन्वेस्टिगेट करने का पावर किसके पास है? Who is the empowered to investigate a crime? This power is to police, not for public, not to media, not to judge. This power is empowered to investigate a crime. The police empowered to investigate a crime. So option A. Okay na? Now we will come to exercise B. Match the following. Okay na? Now our first option PP. PP is regarded as public prosecutor. है ना? So our first option is match with E. Now next one is second option FIR. FIR is the full form of first information, a short form of first information report. Okay. So second is match with C. Now third one is Article 22. Article 22 is the right to be represented before a judge within 24 hours. Okay. So third is match with A. Now fourth one is defense lawyer. For defense lawyer is defend the accused. Okay. So fourth is match with F. Now fifth one is rule of law. Rule of law is the criminal procedure code. It is a criminal procedure code. Sorry. Rule of law is the equality before law. Okay na? So equality before law D. Your option D is match with fifth. Now sixth one is dowry debt. Dowry debt is the match with criminal procedure code. So six is match with B. Okay. Now exercise C. We will come to exercise C. True or false. So first statement for this process, a public prosecutor represent the interest of the state. स्टेट के इंटरेस्ट को ही रिप्रेजेंट करता है पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. फर्स्ट वन इज ट्रू. नाउ सेकंड इज द पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर कंडक्ट्स द प्रोसिक्यूशन ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द एक्यूज्ड. नो पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूशन conduct the prosecution on the behalf of the victims. Okay na? So this is the false. A criminal offence is regarded as a public wrong. It is a true. Fourth one is the complainant does not have a legal right to get a copy of the FIR from the police. This is false because they have a legal right to get a copy of the FIR from the police. So this statement is false. Okay. Now fifth one is a charge sheet is submitted by the investigating officer of a crime. This is true statements. So fifth one is true. So students, in this class we have completed our exercise A, B, C objective exercises of the chapter 6. Okay. Students, I will give you short answers and long answers on your website. Thank you.